Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of scrolling through a messy Gmail inbox where important emails get buried under promotions or social updates, this video is going to solve that problem once and for all. Stick with me till the end, because I'll walk you through how to organize your Gmail inbox using tabs for social, promotions, forums, and more, so you'll never miss an important email again. Let's dive right in. First, open your Gmail account on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the little gear icon. That's your settings shortcut. You'll see a quick settings menu drop down. From here, click on See All Settings so we can access the full options. Now head over to the Inbox tab. Here's the key part. Make sure your inbox type is set to default. This is what allows Gmail to split your inbox into categories. Just below that, you'll find the Categories section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several options with checkboxes. Primary, where your most important, personal, and direct emails go. Social, perfect for updates from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other platforms. Promotions, all your deals, newsletters, and marketing emails, updates, notifications, confirmations, or alerts. Forums, great for community discussions, mailing lists, or group threads. Simply check the boxes for the categories you want to appear as separate tabs in your inbox. For example, enabling promotions and social ensures that all those emails are automatically filtered out of your primary tab, leaving you with a much cleaner, more focused inbox. Once you've chosen the tabs that fit your needs, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh, and you'll immediately see your inbox neatly organized with separate tabs. Here's the best part. This setup isn't permanent. Anytime you want to adjust, add, or remove tabs, you can just return to the inbox settings and tweak your preferences, and that's it. By taking just a couple of minutes to set up these categories, you've transformed your inbox into an organized, stress-free space where important messages stand out and clutter is kept out of your way. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tech tips. And let me know in the comments. Which Gmail tab do you find the most useful? Promotions, social, or forums? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.